Hey guys, welcome back to another training video. In this video, I am going to show you how to use the SEOBuddy content creation app. Let's log into the account. Here is the SEOBuddy content creation app dashboard. You will see your total word usage, total image creation, and membership details. Here we have the template option. Select a template to create content. For websites, you can generate meta tags. For example, let's dive into the blog section. Let's generate a blog post title, for example, for health-related websites. Here you can see the output. We have AI chatbot experts who can help you generate any content and answer all your questions. You can ask SEO-related questions here. You can also generate AI images. Here you can see the result. You can also change the image size and apply various settings. Thanks for watching. Hope you liked the video. See you in the next one.